Welcome back to Elite Service Masters, where we tackle everything home improvement with a twist. Today, we're removing the curtain on some of the biggest handyman myths that won't go away. You've heard the rumors, seen the do-it-yourself fails, and maybe even fallen victim to some of these yourself. But are they really true? Get ready because we'll debunk the myths, reveal the shocking truths, and save you from seriously costly mistakes. You won't believe what's fact and what's pure fiction. Stick around to the end. We're dropping a truth bomb that'll change how you see home repairs forever. First up, let's talk tools. Have you heard the saying, there's a tool for every job? Well, some folks believe there's one tool for every job. Enter the multi-tool, the supposed Swiss Army knife of home repair. But here's the shocking truth. While multi-tools are handy, relying on just one for every task can lead to severe problems. Imagine trying to hang a picture with a hammer that's also a screwdriver, a wrench, and, oh yeah, a bottle opener. Sounds convenient, but often you're left with a tool that is decent at many things but could be better at something. Professional handypersons know that quality tools are like fine-tuned instruments. Using the right one can make all the difference. And no, your trusty multi-tool isn't going to replace that perfectly balanced hammer anytime soon. Duct tape, the supposed savior of every home repair disaster. People say, if it's broken, just duct tape it. But here's the kicker. While duct tape might hold things together in the short term, it's rarely a permanent fix. There are better options out there. Who knew, right? Duct tape is great for quick fixes, but if you're using it to hold a pipe together, you should start planning your next visit to the hardware store now. There are specific tapes and adhesives designed for leaks and breaks. So save the duct tape for arts and crafts or, making a wallet. It's 2024, time to upgrade your tape game. Next up is the myth that you don't need an electrician. You can do it yourself. Now, we're all for rolling up your sleeves and getting things done, but this myth can be downright dangerous when it comes to electrical work. Electricity isn't something to mess around with. One wrong move, and you're not just risking a failed DIY project. You're risking your safety. Sure, changing a light bulb is one thing, but rewiring your entire living room? Maybe leave that to the pros. Licensed electricians are trained to handle the complexities and dangers of electrical work. And hey, peace of mind is worth every penny, right? Let's talk about painting. There's this persistent myth that a fresh coat of paint covers all sins. Just slap some paint on that wall and voila, good as new. But here's the hard truth. A coat of paint is not a miracle worker. Painting over dirt, old wallpaper, or damaged surfaces, you're setting yourself up for a paint failure. A little prep work goes a long way, and paint actually likes a clean, smooth surface. So before you break out the brushes, ensure you're giving your paint the best shot at success. Trust us, your walls will thank you. Here's a fun myth. A plunger can fix any clog. We love a good plunger as much as the next person, but some clogs are way out of their league. Have you ever found yourself in a plunging marathon only to realize the water isn't going anywhere? That's because not all clogs are created equal. Some require a little more persuasion. You might need a plumbing snake or even a professional to step in for those tough clogs. Knowing when to call in the cavalry can save you a lot of frustration and water damage. Finally, let's talk about the weekend warrior myth, the idea that any home repair project can be done in a single weekend. We've all been there. Saturday morning enthusiasm, Sunday night exhaustion, and a project that's still not finished. The truth is, not all projects are weekend-friendly. Some require more time, patience, and, yes, more skill than a quick YouTube tutorial can offer. And that's okay. Remember, it's better to do it right than fast. And sometimes, bringing in the pros can save you time and sanity in the long run. So there you have it. 6 handyman myths busted wide open. Whether you're a do-it-yourself enthusiast or just trying to keep your home in one piece, knowing the truth behind these myths can save you time, money, and headaches. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Elite Service Masters, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks. Do you have a myth you want us to debunk? Drop it in the comments below. We'd love to tackle it in our next video. Until next time, keep those tools handy and your myths will be busted. Thanks for watching.